Hello, it's me Linux. Today we are going to create one of CNN logo. So for that, first of all, I have to select line tool, line segment tool. So hold on Shift key and drag below little bit. Okay, perfect. And next one, I have to make copy of this one. I have to hold on Alt key in Windows, Option key on Mac. Then I'm just keeping like approximate this much. Then I have to press Control D for this. So if you are using Mac, you have to use Command D. So I have to press Control D. 1, 2, like that. So this is for C and this is for N, and like this. And after that, what we have to do, we have to select again this line, and I have to join this line to next line here. Next step, we have to join this corner, so we have to select join tool. It's under the shape builder shape tool section here, so I have to select the join tool. Then I have to drag this corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So once you drag, you can just go to the direct selection and check whether it is connect or not. Now this is okay, perfect, and this one is fine, and this one is okay, and this one is fine, this is okay, this is okay. Then check yourself, then make it undo as well. Okay, now the basic structure is ready, and next two things we have to move this corner like we need to make a rounded. So keep in mind, these all corner we have to round properly. So what I'm going to do, I have to select this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points with the direct selection tool. Then I have to drag this one little bit down or up. Select the corner again, this two, and move. I have to move this inside one, this way. See, now this logo almost is ready, and next two things, we have to line up this particular points and this one too. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm just adding a ruler for here, and I'm just dragging one ruler till here and here. Okay, see, now you can see this line is not the proper height actually. So what I'm going to do, I have to select this all top points, whatever is not arranged. So these 2 points not arranged. Then I have to move these points above. Then I have to drag till here. It's fine, perfect. And next I have to drag this one too. Then I have to drag below of this one. So we can use arrow key, keyboard arrow key here. So now it's ready. Now once you're done here, just make sure it should be straight and everything is perfect right now. Or you can do this align too if you want this one perfectly. I can go one more time here. You can just select all of that. Okay, now it's perfect, it's fine. And next things, we have to make this one that size a little bit bigger. So make it that one size more bigger, and again bigger, 40 something, whatever we get. Now see, this corner is ready, this corner is okay. So if you are keep upper, now you can see the Z, we have to adjust this line based on the C letter. So I have to move a little bit upper and move it a little bit down. See, now this logo is perfect. So next one, we have to change the color of this one. So I have to switch the color to red one like this. Okay. So the next step, we have to pass one line through inside of this red one. So I have to make one copy in top of that. So what I'm going to do, I have to copy and paste it. So for that, you can go to the edit menu and apply copy and paste in front. So now the copy is ready. So we have to change the straw color to white one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand all the points well. So if you have any doubts or questions, please comment below. So if you like it, please subscribe and share it. Thank you. See you the next time.